Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that you get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once you understand how the world really works, you understand that everything is planned out. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Of course, right now, Bitcoin is steady. Now, the fact is that we know that we're moving into the weekend. We know that the retail institutional investors come in because, of course, the stock market closes. So what are we going to do? Make sure that we pay attention to the stable coins. If you've been paying attention to the stable coins, you'll see that they're being at 99.9, and of course, we've been slowly moving up. So when we go above that dollar for a long period of time, we know that we're going to drop. So if you are a trader, make sure that's your key indicator. And then also, XRP is now a less factor because what happened? They pumped stable coins, Tether, a whole $1 billion in one day, guys. That is crazy. And nobody, it's like I said, nobody talked about it. So the fact is that basically, guys, you only have 18 cryptos that are above $1 billion. And they pumped Tether $1 billion in one day. So we have to understand what the Fed is actually doing. Now, of course, basically we have the stimulus package coming. So that's even more money that's going to flood the market. So guys, make sure you're getting in and investing and making money. I understand you have cryptos you hold. Of course, I have cryptos I hold. But the fact is that if you want to make a living off this, you have to trade on a daily basis. And that's what you should be doing. You should be in this to make money. Now, the fact is that getting into crypto news, of course, there's an article that came out said XRP to be a privacy coin. That, of course, that's in the air. I don't see how it should be, but of course it can be. They're working right with the banks. So, but we'll see. But we know for a fact JP Morgan's whole blockchain is going to be private. It's going to be the Federal Reserve 2.0. But that is definitely interesting. Now, the fact is that basically we also have payment giant Visa laying the groundwork, the roadmap for their cryptocurrency and how they're going to come in. Now, guys, we got to remember Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, those are conglomerates. They are humongous. So when Visa and MasterCard say that they are coming into crypto, guys, that is big. So the fact is that basically, and it's very easy to integrate. Because of the technology, because of the wallets, it's going to be seamless. And that's what they want. They can't bring this to the masses yet. They have to make it seamless. But the fact is that you have a lot of wallets out there, especially Coinbase's wallet. It's becoming more and more seamless. So, guys, like I said, that is very big. Now, the Fed wants a digital currency engineer. So basically, of course, they're hiring. So we see that jobs are making a big wave into the occupational field is changing. That's why Trump passed the executive order as far as no college, and of course if you have experience. So, if you have a nerd that's coming straight out of high school and he understands this technology, which a lot of these kids do at 13 years old, know coding, know how to get on GitHub and create their own digital currency. Guys, those are the people that's going to make the money. So the fact is that if you have time, I don't care what the age you are, get in there and play around with it. It just makes sense. Now, basically, we have signature deposits. Bank grew $1 billion the second quarter. So, guys, like I stated, basically with Bitcoin, it's going to be integrated in everything. Now, the fact is that we don't know exactly how high the price is going to be. Of course, we know that's up to the Fed. But we know it's going to be in the range of $20,000 to $50,000 per Bitcoin. There's not many out there. And even if Bitcoin Lightning building that second chain, you still have to get to the real thing. Basically, we have CFTC approved cross-border applications for certain swaps. So, just like I stated, regulation is coming. As I said, all summer, guys, we're going to have the regulation. That's the reason why we have to get ourselves investing. Why? Because we slowly see Bitcoin is creeping up, and they're creeping it up. They're creeping it steady, going up. So we have Bitcoin, we have Ethereum, just mooning up. So like I stated, guys, make sure that we're understanding where this is going. If our whole economy is going to be moving here, you need to make sure you're educating your friends and family. Okay, I understood that you may not have believed it before, but look at this. Banks can now hold cryptocurrency, and that's not for any reason. They can't hold something that's illegal, guys. That's basically what they were telling you. When they said they can hold it, that means it's legal. It's legal tender. Basically, we also have Ethereum option trading is up. Basically, getting overseas. We have Orange Bank of Africa is now going live on their digital currency services. We also have Kenya Central Bank starting to regulate crypto. Now, getting over into world news, guys, we also have the stimulus checks coming. $2 trillion worth of stimulus checks. And also they said different perks are going to come with that. They know they have to change this economy. So eventually they're going to start offering, of course, free money for people to go back to school. Guys, if you're one of those people, make sure you're going into technology. Plain and simple. And you don't have to go to a college. You can just get certified, in coding or anything like that. Now we have Apple founder suing Google. We know Ripple's owner, Ripple's CEO, basically said that he was suing Google and YouTube. Guys, we know this is all the Hegelian dialectic. They're not suing anybody. The fact is that basically, of course, they're probably invested in Google Alphabet the same way Google Ventures is invested in Ripple. So that makes no sense to try to sue them. Guys, getting over into, I went back to an old tweet. We had the U.S. Surgeon General on February 29th said that, of course, masks don't work against the C word, stop buying them. Then all of a sudden it's mandatory that, of course, people start wearing them. So, guys, we notice, like I said, the Hegelian dialectic, they can change things because people don't read. We have the Pentagon basically stating that they're going to release some more information on UFO. Guys, they're working up in space. Don't fall for this. They're working up in space constantly. Don't fall for it. They're going to come out with something crazy, guys. We know about Blue Beam. They're going to come out with something mighty crazy. Now, of course, basically machine learning or learning on their own. Now, don't forget Facebook. They were doing something with the machines. The machines were talking to each other. They had to shut it down. So, guys, these machines are going to start running themselves. So, guess what they don't need? Humanity. That's right. And we know what Ben Gertzel, one of the smartest men on this planet, is working on, along with Ray Kurzweil. Now we have Warren Buffett investing $213 million in Bank of America. So the fact is, guys, we don't listen to what they say. We follow the money. So the fact is, do your research. If Bank of America looks like a good stock, invest. Warren Buffett is investing. And, of course, basically we have Asia markets said, of course, if their markets fall, they're going to retaliate against the USA. What is this, guys? That's right, the Hegelian dialectic. We know that since 1833, they've been at war with us. So the fact is that basically the NWO wants to take down the US, take it down from the inside. But China is going to be that excuse. Of course, when we go to World War III. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the Cryptoteacher book, NWO book. I want to thank those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon. Also those who have been purchasing from the store. Much love. Guys, don't forget about, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Also, basically, for your stocks, you have your chip stocks, your cobalt, your banking, your gaming stocks. Also, guys, everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about those stocks. Please don't forget about those stocks. Those stocks have been rocketing. Netflix has been crazy. Of course, it's not making any profit, but NWO want those stocks to go up. Also, basically, we have the C word, the biotech stocks. Right now, Moderna was trying to do a patent with it. So, guys, of course, they're all about making money. That's what the corporations want to do. Want to give you a vaccine so they can make tons, trillions and trillions of dollars of money. And people are going to run to get it. Next thing you know, they're not even going to be able to walk. And guys, don't forget, everybody's sitting at home, getting free money. So what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks. And y'all have a wonderful day.